1, 2, 3, action.
Okay,
Alright
action.
guys, insect repellent for yellow stuff on my headlight. It's been around 20 years already. And let it work for a couple of seconds. Ready the wipe. Okay. Pwede na ba yan?
Pwede na.
Okay, let's start from the bottom to the top. Oh, holy! Look at. What is this sorcery? What is sorcery? Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my!
Effective na effective talaga.
No more yellow.
Yan yung kasi natira, yung natira dyan, yung...
Yeah, from the inside.
Oo.
Oh.
Try mo yung kaya. Sprayan.
Hindi na,
Hindi,
good na
hindi.
yan. Oh. Isa pa, one more time.
Yeah, one more time.
This will be looking brand new. And then you will have no mosquito going to your car. because it has because it has protection. Holy moly. One more?
Okay.
No?
Ganda nga, no?
Cut guys. What is this sorcery? Look at that. Ha. Halaka. Mm. Mm.
Sige
So,
pa.
lagyan
sige
na
pa.
lang ng clear applicator, no? Sige pa ba?
Sige pa. May natitira pa eh.
May mga yellow pa?
Oo.
Shucks.
Sige, kunin mo yun, no?
Ha?
Yung kwan,
One more?
papamunas.
Because it was around 20 years already, we need to reapply 3 more times. Grabe.
Ang galing nga, no?
Transformation, no? Shucks. One applicator, one tissue at a time lang tayo, guys. God, look at that. Feels like brand new.
Makikita mo the difference tonight.
Big difference. May makikita na ako sa daan.
Mhm.
I'm almost like driving like nothing in front of me. Now, feels like there's a headlight. Feels delikado ni. Kita na yung mga moose at saka mga deer sa daanan.
Mhm.
Mm. Shucks.
Yung mo yung difference ng isa.
Look at that. Ito medyo bago-bago to eh. Oh, pero still,
Still, sige.
yeah. Stig, no?
Oo nga eh. Maganda. Okay yung difference ka eh.
Oh, ito nga, tignan nyo guys.
Mm.
Kay Kuya Wilson, oh. Shucks! My goodness, looks brand new. Ito din dito. Oh,
Gasgasan lang, no?
nagasgasan lang yan.
Mm.
Shuckoy. Grabe, Stig.
Okay, yung isa, yung isa.
Love it. Eh? Eh?
Sige pa, spray pa.
Spray pa ba?
Spray pa.
Kailangan na ng ano? Baka ubuhin ba?
Yan.
Ano muna?
Para mamatay yung mosquito.
Mosquito. Sabihin naman mosquito, grabe ang arte nyo naman. Pati yung car. Na ano nyo. Shucks. Nice. God. No more mosquito in the night. Oh my goodness, look at that.
May billboard pa siya dito, oh.
Woo!
Oh, madumi nga talaga.
Grabe. Parang ano talaga, no?
Mm.
Grabe.
Sige, bigyan mo pa.
Approve na approve ba?
Oo nga eh. Ito, talaga, kanina eh. Kanina
Living sacrifice, living testament. Pero grabe na rin to. From yellow to this kind of color, it's done.
Mm.
Superb.